Hey there, money-making masters. Welcome back to our channel. I'm your host Angelina, and today, we're diving into the world of dollar bills, moolah, greenbacks, and all things PayPal, cha-ching. If you're an American viewer looking to make some extra cash, you've hit the jackpot, my friend. We've got 5 ways to use PayPal to make money, and trust me, you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. PayPal Pals. First up, we've got the power of pals. You know what they say, teamwork makes the dream work. So grab your besties, your siblings, or even your dog, if they've got a PayPal account. Hey, who are we to judge, and start a PayPal Pals partnership. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, homemade cookies, or a family recipe secret sauce, having a squad to share the workload and split the profits is pure genius. Plus, if you're feeling generous, you can even create a BFF fund for spontaneous fun, like that road trip you've been dreaming of. PayPal Hustle. Next up, we've got the classic PayPal Hustle. Have a hidden talent, like playing the ukulele while balancing a cupcake on your nose? Take your skills to the digital stage. With platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, you can showcase your extraordinary abilities and get paid in those sweet PayPal pennies. Remember, America loves a good show, so embrace your inner performer, and let the PayPal cash flow. PayPal Garage Sale. Alright, folks, let's channel our inner Marie Kondo because we're turning clutter into cash with the PayPal Garage Sale. Say goodbye to that treadmill you never use, guilty as charged, or that old collection of Beanie Babies from the 90s. List them on online marketplaces like eBay, Mercari, or Depop, and watch the PayPal notifications light up like fireworks. One man's trash is another man's treasure, and PayPal is the magic genie turning it all into gold. PayPal Side Hustle School. It's time to enroll in the prestigious PayPal Side Hustle School. This one's for those of you who want to level up your money-making game. Explore the vast world of online courses and become a pro in photography, graphic design, or even beekeeping. You'd be surprised. Once you've mastered your chosen craft, teach others your newfound wisdom through platforms like Teachable or Udemy. And guess what? The tuition fee goes directly to your PayPal account. Ka-ching. PayPal Vlogger. Last but not least, we're going full on YouTube mode with PayPal Vlogger. Grab your camera, find your niche, whether it's reviewing bizarre snacks or demonstrating extreme origami, and let the world witness your captivating content. The more views and subscribers you get, the more you can rake in those PayPal dollars. And hey, even if you don't become the next YouTube sensation, you'll have a blast sharing your passions with the world and making some extra dough along the way. Alright, my cash-creating compadres, that's a wrap on our 5 ways to use PayPal to make money for our fabulous American viewers. Remember, making money can be a thrilling adventure full of laughter and fun. If you enjoyed our video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow money-making enthusiasts. And, as always, drop your own hilarious money-making stories in the comments below. We can't wait to read them. Until next time, stay funny and stay profitable. Winks and waves. See ya.